Okay, so this is the entryway. You see that corner where the kitchen begins? It's 15 feet into the living room. This is where the stairs are, okay? So again, you walk in, there's a couple of doors on the right. This is the staircase up to the second and third floor. Then here's the door to the downstairs cellar. Then this is some form of a divider so that it gives a little bit more privacy to that room right here, plus a bathroom. And then I'm gonna go slowly around. This is where that fireplace is. And I can show you the ceiling. So, ceiling all looks exactly the same. All right, so then here is an office door. This leads to an office. These are all the new windows. And today is a cloudy day. Again, that was 15 feet. This is an overhang out here, like a patio. And then this is the second fireplace. I'm going to walk closer to it so you can see it. We will probably change that to a nicer tile. Here's some tile ideas already, but I don't like this design at all. The mantle can be reused. Then here is a new door. And then this is the archway. This goes to the laundry room. So this is the old kitchen that has to be ripped out. We want to reposition the fridge and of course dress the fridge up with the wood that is in the drawing I sent you. This is where the island goes. Okay, so if I walk from that fireplace over to the other fireplace, is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. It's about 32 feet across from the fireplace, from here, from this fireplace. And this gives you a good dimensional idea. See? Okay. And then how wide is it? Let's see here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. About 17 feet.